Introduction to game engines and component-based design. Game engines are software frameworks designed to help developers create video games efficiently. They provide a suite of tools and functionalities that streamline the game development process, including rendering graphics, managing audio, handling input from players, and implementing game logic. One common architectural approach in game development, especially in modern game engines, is component-based design. This design paradigm breaks down game objects into smaller, reusable components that encapsulate specific functionality or behavior. Those components can be attached to game objects to define their properties and behavior, allowing for a more modular and flexible approach to game development. Game engines provide a set of tools and libraries to facilitate various aspects of game development, such as rendering, physics simulation, audio processing, input handling, networking, and more. They often include integrated development environments or editors that allow developers to design game levels, create assets, and write scripts to define game behavior. Examples of popular game engines include Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot Engine, CryEngine, and Lumberyard, each with its own strengths and features, catering to different types of games and developers' preferences. Component-based design is an architectural approach where game objects are composed of modular, reusable components that define specific aspects of their behavior or functionality. Each component encapsulates a single aspect of an object's behavior, such as rendering, physics, input handling, AI, and etc. Overview of game engines. Definition of game engine. Importance of game engines in game development. Examples popular game engines: Unity, Unreal Engine, CryEngine, and etc. A game engine is a software framework or platform designed to facilitate the development and creation of video games. It provides developers with suite of tools, libraries, and functionalities to build, design, and manage various aspects of a game, including graphics rendering, physics simulations, audio management, scripting, animation, and more. The importance of game engines in game development lies in their ability to streamline the development process, reduce redundancy, and empower developers to focus on creating content and gameplay experiences rather than reinventing the wheel. Game engines provide a robust foundation that helps developers manage complex tasks efficiently, iterate quickly, and deploy games across multiple platforms. Here are some examples of popular game engines. Number 1 is Unity, number 2 Unreal Engine, number 3 CryEngine, number 4 Godot Engine, number 5 GameMaker Studio. Key features of game engines: graphics rendering, physics simulation, audio management, scripting, and programming support, asset management. It sounds like you're listing various components or features often found in game development engines or software. Number 1 is graphics rendering. This involves the process of generating image from models, textures, and other graphical assets. It encompasses techniques or lighting, shading, and rendering effects to create visually appealing scenes. Number 2 is physics simulation. Physics simulations enables realistic interactions between objects within a virtual environment. This includes simulating gravity, collisions, friction, and other physical properties to make objects behave as they would in the real world. Number 3 is audio management. Audio management involves the playback, mixing, and specialization of sound effects, music, and dialogue within a game or simulation. It's essential for creating immersive experiences and conveying important information to the player through sound. Number 4, scripting and programming support. This refers to the ability to write custom code or scripts to control the behavior of objects, implement game mechanics, and create interactive elements. Support for scripting and programming languages provides flexibility and allows developers to extend the capabilities of the software. And the last is asset management. Asset management tools help organize and manage the various sources used in a project, including models, textures, animations, audio files, and scripts. Evolution of game engines. Historical overview of game engines, advancement in technology and features over the years, impact on game development industry. Game engines have evolved significantly since the inception of video games, shaping the landscape of the gaming industry and revolutionizing game development. 1. Early years 1970s to 1980s. In the early days of video games, developers often created games from scratch, writing code for graphics, audio, and gameplay mechanics. Number 2. Transition to 3D 1990s. Within the introduction of 3D graphic cards and more powerful hardware, game engines began to support 3D rendering. Mid 2000s. Middleware solutions like RenderWare and Havok provided developers with pre-built components for graphics, physics, and AI, reducing development time and costs. Late 2000 to present, game engines became from sophisticated, supporting cross-platform development for consoles, PCs, and more devices. Impact on game development industry. Accessibility, cost efficiency, innovation, diverse platforms, community collaboration, and the last is economic growth. Introduction to component-based design. Definition of component-based design. Comparison to the traditional inheritance-based design. Benefits of components-based design in game development. In comparison to traditional inheritance-based design, number 1, flexibility. Number 2, reusability. Number 3, decoupling. Number 4, scalability. Benefits of component-based design in game development include: Number 1, entity composition. Number 2, code reusability. Number 3, ease of modification. Number 4, collaborative development. Number 5, performance optimization. Components in game development. Explanation of game components. Rendering component, physics component, input component, how components are utilized in game entities. Here's an explanation of some common game components and how they are utilized in game entities. Rendering component. This component is responsible for the visual presentation of a game entity. Physics component. The physics component simulates physical interactions and behaviors within the game world. Input component. This component manages user input such as keyboard, mouse, touch, or gamepad view inputs. AI component. That AI component implements artificial intelligence algorithms to control the behavior of game entities. Audio component. This component manages audio playback and sound effects associated with the game entity.